Now this is the part 3 of the requirement. So we're dealing with Mazas, Etude number 7. This one has a lot of lyrical quality to it. So first thing I want to talk about here is the vibrato. I will have some exercise for you to master your vibrato. I usually use the scales. Vibrato is starting from bending the knuckle and relax your wrist and also your arm. So you can start with putting your hand nicely surrounded the neck and go back and forth like this. And move the index finger over the fingerboard and do that. Try to lightly hit the peg, third finger, and the pinky. The second step, what you can do is placing your finger on the A string B natural, straighten it, and come back straight. Gradually shorten the distance of traveling, and then narrow down a single spot and try to go back and forth. And second finger C sharp, ascending, descending, ascending, descending, gently and nicely relaxed, eventually adding the speed of the oscillation. So it's third finger. Finally the pinky. After that is done, you can work on a scale either 1 octave or 2 octave. Do that. Every beat, vibrate once. Use the fourth finger, then you can practice it. Then you can do still remain the same tempo. Every single beat vibrate twice. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. You see, it's a combination of this knuckle and the wrist and a little bit arm. Then moving on 4 times. Until you reach 8 times or to 16 times, then you're pretty much ready to go to play with the piece. So here is a little bit of the beginning, the first 4 measures. It should sound like this. Very best luck with your audition.